What's up, guys? In this video we are kayaking. Now don't get it twisted, it's still ride out vibe out, but it's in a kayak. Look happy, buddy. Say what's up, guys. Come on. And we are here at the Whitewater Center. This whole summer I really wanted to go kayaking and I just never did, but today we got time. My GoPro. Oh, look at those guys over there. They're about to go fishing. Really wanted to kayak before the summer was over. And here we are. It's beautiful. We're here on a Monday, so it's not a lot of traffic out here, not a lot of boats, not a lot of people on the river. It's kind of something I was looking forward to, because I know the weekends it can get kind of crazy. Say hey, Saint Man. Hey. Say what's up, everybody. You want to go to school? Yes. No. Okay. You want to stay on the river? Yeah. Yeah, me too. Just a heads up, parking at the Whitewater Center is $12. And the kayak for me and Saint was like 80 bucks, so $39.39. Also, while you're on the water, it is a 90-minute activity, so they're only giving you an hour and a half. So you kind of factor all that in, you're spending 80 bucks plus $12 in driving or parking. It's like about $92 right there. Or you can just buy your own kayak. Get on Facebook and tow it yourself, get you your own life jackets, and you can go wherever you want. And I think that is going to be my plan. Oh look, there's a plane up there. Nice. You know, I wouldn't mind retiring and working here at the Whitewater Center. I can just be out here in nature. That would be nice. You want to catch some fish? You want to catch some fish? Too bad I don't have a fishing rod. Can you stick your hand in there and catch us a fish? They're out here. Yeah, I think they're in the water somewhere. They got your hand! He got your hand! All right, I'm gonna jump ship. I'm gonna give this paddle to you and I'm gonna jump off the boat. Why? Because I'm leaving you here by yourself. No. All right, buddy, I love you. No. So here's the paddle that you get. It's not very comfortable, so as you see, I have my gloves. That should help me out a little bit with the paddle. Just the FYI. If I give you the paddle, we're gonna get there quicker, so I'm too slow. Okay, here you go, sir. I'll gladly sit back. All right, push it right, scoop it towards scoop it from the front to the back. Front to back. Yeah, bring it up to the front and then push yourself. Yep, there you go. Yeah, we're backing up. I thought you were gonna get us there quicker, but now we're backing up. Don't say you can't do it. You can do it. I just have to show you. 1, 2. One, 2. Good job, good job. You don't see him? You see him now? He's looking at us. Nah, I don't think we should touch him. I think we should leave him alone. Yeah. I'm happy he's just sitting there because I don't want to be attacked. Oh, watch your head, watch your head. Let's get away from this. Woo, woo. Oh, Daddy wasn't paying attention. Yeah. So I will say, I'm very, very grateful to have this opportunity to spend some time with my son and go kayaking, because this is something I definitely wanted to do before the summer was up. If anything, I think it's better if I know I'm gonna do this again. It's easier, or it would be better to just buy your own kayak, because 90 bucks, man, that's kind of steep. All right, so you come here maybe 2 more times, you're at 270 bucks. You can easily find a kayak on the marketplace or anywhere really, as the season is starting to wind down, for a pretty good price. So thank you guys for watching the video. Saint, say thank you guys for watching. All right, we see you later. Bye.